I think we're being watched. Like, Sabrina's always paranoid, so I got a hidden camera detector off TikTok Shop. I want to make sure no one's watching us.
We're watching us.
You better not be watching us because we're about to find out. Okay, so this locates GPS trackers, detects eavesdropping devices, prevents phone surveillance, detects pinhole cameras, and detects spy cameras. Okay, it's on. Antenna is up. Let's...
Sure they ain't plant nothing on my baby. Make sure, you can never know. All right, let's go. Up. We're clear.
Oh, no. Okay, so is somebody watching us in the vent? Because it's going off.
It's not going off here. I better not find a damn camera in here.
Okay, something in this room is going off. It could be, what's this called, a fire alarm?
Yeah.
Fire detector, smoke alarm detector? Okay. I don't think they would put a camera in there, right?
Yeah.
No.
They think they slick. They think they slick. You ain't about to play with. No. Oh. Y'all gonna listen to us?